If you are wondering if there is bloatware on POCO F7, then the answer is unfortunately yes. POCO F7 has lots of apps that are pre-installed without our consent or anything like that, and there is literally no point of having them on your phone unless you are some sort of gamer or something, I guess, because we can find a bunch of games on this phone after the initial configuration. As you can see here, we have 3 games, there is another one, and so on and so forth. Lots of different stuff. Besides that, we also get some other apps that can also be considered as bloatware. We have AliExpress, Amazon Music. These things are pre-installed, like LinkedIn, Netflix, of course. Well, I can understand why Netflix is here, but I don't really necessarily understand why, for example, Amazon Music or AliExpress is over here. We also have TikTok, WPS Office, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, a bunch of apps that should not really be pre-installed on your phone, but they are. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.